Introducing Third-Eye's new user interface, EyeSight. We've made it very simple to navigate, yet very comprehensive, just like you asked. We put streams of data at your fingertips, allowing you to identify areas of importance with the ability to focus on profit leakage, such as knot-outs, overloaded or blocked containers, or other exceptions that you define. We provide you with the interface that allows you to make better decisions faster. We've also made the interface scalable, which means it works perfectly whether you're on your cell phone, your tablet, or sitting at your desk. With more people working remotely, this was a key feature that you demanded. We listened, and we delivered. You also needed it flexible, as every fleet is different, and you wanted the ability to customize the outputs based on your needs. Experience Third-Eye's new EyeSight customizable platform that puts you in the driver's seat. This is all a part of our Connected Collections vision, focused on helping fleet owners make better decisions faster.